This is the MetalFab from xTool and it's a new tool in my workshop. It's a versatile laser system that can cut, weld and even remove rust, but for this project I'm using it to CNC cut a knife blank in seconds. I've been very curious to see how this tool fits into my workflow, so this felt like the perfect excuse to try it out. And I'll definitely be testing more of what it can do in future videos, so let's get started. So this saw blade is hardened steel, and normally cutting something like this with traditional tools is slow, messy, and it's really easy to ruin the temper with heat. But with the MetalFab I get a precise cut with minimal heat input, and I can even cut the pinholes at the same time, which will be almost impossible to do this cleanly otherwise. So at this point the entire profile is done, and from here is just a matter of grinding and making the handle, which makes this for one of the easiest way to make a knife. So let's finish this Nakiri and I'll see you in the conclusion. So, is this actually one of the easiest way to make a knife? Yeah, I think it is, because starting from pre-hardened steel completely eliminates the need for a forge or a temperature-controlled heat-treating oven, which is usually one of the biggest barriers if you're getting into knife making. That said, the source of the steel still matters a lot. This old saw blade, for example, tested at around 54 Rockwell, which is fine, but definitely not what you'd want for a high-end knife. So if you're chasing top performance, proper steel selection and a well-controlled heat-treatment process are still essential. But for something like this, so testing shapes, experimenting with grinds, or just making a quick kitchen knife for fun, it works really well. On this Nakiri, for example, I tried a pretty aggressive S grind. It actually cuts really nicely. I also just love this style of vegetable cutting knife. And honestly, for me, the MetalFab is kind of a game changer here. It removes one of the more tedious parts of knife making, profiling, which is also a step where the maker's skill doesn't really change the final result that much. And having something that can do that quickly and with this level of precision just makes a lot of sense. So yeah, this is it for this project, my first time using the MetalFab by xTool, and I'm definitely looking forward to exploring more of what that machine can do, but I'll say the CNC cutting alone is already a big upgrade for my workshop, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you soon in the next project. Thank you for watching, take care, and bye-bye.